Hello everyone, welcome back to Nisha's Maths Master Class, and today I am going to explain MPSP exam, Maharashtra Pradeshal Pariksha, Standard 6, and the topic is integers. Now see children, very most important topic of this mathematics subject. So see children, integers means what? So I think 3-4 videos back I already explained about natural number, whole numbers, positive number, negative numbers and integers. Okay, but today again I explain in the short way. See children, integer means what? First of all, natural numbers, the numbers which are start from the 1 to infinite, so that is called natural numbers. And whole numbers, the numbers which start from the 0 with natural number. Okay, so that is called whole number. Afterward, positive number, the value of the numbers which is more than 0, so that is positive numbers. And the numbers which the value of the numbers which are less than 0, that is means negative number. Okay, so when we think about the integers, so that time suppose anyone asks that the students, what is the meaning of exactly integers? So children, integers means the group of the numbers. Okay, so in that group positive numbers are there, negative numbers are there with 0. Okay, along with 0, whatever the set we will get, so that set is called integers. Now see children, I already drawn one number line on the board. Okay, see children, this is the number line. Okay, this is 0 and this 0 we call origin. What is we call that? Origin. Because of this 0, the number line divided into two parts. The first one, that is means positive, and second is negative. Okay, so the right hand side, whatever the numbers are there, that all are positive, and the left hand side, the numbers are negative. Got it? So simple and easy way means when we have to move to the right hand side, the value of the numbers are increased by 1, and when we are moving to the left hand side, so the value of the numbers are decreased by 1. Okay, so always remember such a type of things when we solve integers. Now the first one, that is means addition of integers. Addition of integers. Now when we solve addition of integers, so only 2-3 rules are there which we have to always remember. Now see children, addition of integers, this is the most important topic. Afterwards, subtraction. So 3 rules are most important for there. That is mean the first one, when same sign is there. Okay, when same sign is there, add the number and put the same sign. Okay, same rule I use for the negative marking. See, negative sign, same sign is there, add the number and put the same sign. Okay, see, both the rules are same, so not any confusion is there. Got my point everyone? Moving to the next, that is means third. Now that 2 rules are also same. See, for example, opposite signs are there. Now see, opposite signs are there. Okay, numbers are same but the signs are opposite. Now see here, opposite signs are there, subtract the number and put bigger number sign. Same like opposite signs are there, subtract the number, put the bigger number sign. See, numbers are same but signs are different, and because of that the answer is also different. See the difference of negative 2 and positive 2. Understand? Only 2 rules you have to always follow when you have to do the addition of integer. The first one, that is means same sign is there. See, same sign is there, add the number, put the same sign. Again I repeat, when same sign is there, add the number and put the same sign. Okay, afterwards second, that is means opposite signs are there. Okay, opposite signs are there, subtract the number and put the bigger number sign. Now see here, 4 is a bigger number, so I put the bigger number sign. Here negative 4 having the negative sign, so I put the negative sign. So that is the main important tricky rule to solve the addition of integers. Okay children, if you like the content, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.